Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to power a signature widget in Forms with Jotform Sign. This is incredibly useful when you need legally binding signatures on your forms, complete with audit trails for documentation and compliance purposes. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to jotform.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as you'll need access to your account to create and configure your form with the signature automation feature. After you've successfully logged in, look toward the upper left corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Click on it to begin the form creation process. This button is your starting point for building any new form or project within Jotform. Next, you'll be presented with several options. Click on Form to continue. From the options that appear, select Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank canvas to work with, then choose Classic Form as your form type. This format provides the most flexibility for adding and configuring various elements, including the signature widget we'll be setting up. Now you're in the Form Builder interface. On the left panel, click on Add Element. This opens up a menu of all the different fields and widgets you can add to your form. Scroll down through the available options until you find Signature, then click on it. This will add a signature field to your form where users can provide their electronic signature. Here's where the automation comes in. Click on the signature automation icon that appears with your signature element. This is a key step that enables the advanced features of Jotform Sign. Once you click it, you'll need to enable Jotform Sign automation. This feature ensures that your signature process is streamlined and legally compliant. Additionally, make sure to enable Signature Audit Trail. This creates a detailed record of when and how the signature was collected, which is crucial for legal documentation and compliance purposes. The audit trail provides timestamps and user information that can be vital for verification later on. Once you've configured these settings, it's time to make your form live. Click the Publish button located at the top of the page. This finalizes your form and generates a shareable link that you can distribute to anyone who needs to sign your document. After publishing, you'll see a quick share section with a link. Go ahead and copy this link. This is the URL you'll share with others or use for testing purposes. To verify that everything is working correctly, open a new tab in your browser and paste the link you just copied. This allows you to see exactly what your users will experience when they receive the form. When the form loads, click on the Signature section. You'll be able to draw or type your signature directly in the field. After adding your signature, click Continue to submit the form and complete the signing process. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a form with Jotform Sign automation, complete with audit trail functionality for professional signature collection. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.